After our night in Amboseli, we left the open plains behind. Our journey led us south toward the lush coastal highlands of Kenya, the enchanting Shimba Hills National Reserve, where dense forests rise, the air grows heavier, and the landscape transforms completely. We joined the long stretch of Mombasa Road, passing through Voi, a familiar town that sits quietly between worlds. The dry landscapes of the interior slowly gave way to warmer air, thicker vegetation, and the subtle promise of the ocean nearby. We continued toward Mombasa, crossing bridges where land meets water, before turning inland toward Kwale. With every kilometer, the scenery changed, the road narrowing, the palm trees rising higher, the air feeling heavier. By around 4 p.m., we arrived at Shimba Hills National Reserve. At the gate, we paid the usual park fees, a small price for entry into Kenya's hidden coastal sanctuary. From there, we drove deeper into the reserve, heading toward our campsite for the night. A quiet place known as the Bandas. As the sun leaned lower in the sky, we set up our tent, surrounded by forest and hills. No city noise, no traffic, just the sound of insects, distant birds, and the wind moving gently through the trees. Night came quickly. Out here, darkness feels different, thicker, deeper, alive. And beneath a sky full of stars, we rested, knowing the next day would begin early. At first light, we prepared for a morning game drive. The air was cool, fresh, almost misty, and the reserve felt untouched, as if we were the only ones inside it. As we moved through the trails, we spotted zebras, impalas, and warthogs, quietly enjoying their morning meal, heads down, unbothered, moving with the calm confidence of animals at home. Shimba Hills does not host lions, so the zebras and impalas move with a quiet confidence, grazing more freely without the threat of big cat ambush on open ground. Leopards do roam here, but they are masters of stealth, slipping through the dense canopy in search of prey such as duikers, bushbuck, and warthogs. While searching for the elephants, we headed to Shimba Hills National Reserve's ocean viewpoint. From there, we scanned the dense forest canopy below with our binoculars and spotted coastal black and white colobus monkeys and crowned hornbills moving gracefully through the trees. Below the hills, we saw small villages, homes to local Digo and Duruma communities, whose daily lives are shaped by this land. Rivers born high in the hills flow down to nourish farms and gardens, supply water for people and livestock, and sustain life long before it reaches the sea. Later that morning, around 10 a.m., we prepared for a guided nature walk to the famous Shimba Hills waterfalls. The walk is free, but for safety, it's guided by an armed KWS ranger, a reminder that this forest is wild and very much alive. We began the hike, descending through thick vegetation, the path slowly leading us deeper into the hills. Along the way, the ranger shared quiet knowledge about animal tracks, plant life, and how this forest has survived through generations of protection. He also explained that parts of the forest are occasionally burnt, a natural process that encourages fresh vegetation to grow, supporting new life for herbivores and maintaining the ecological balance. With every step, the sound of water grew louder, until finally, we arrived. The waterfall revealed itself slowly, hidden between rocks and trees, its sound echoing through the valley. The view was nothing short of magnificent. Water cascaded down the rocks, cool, powerful, constant, a reminder that some forces never get tired. We took our time here, We bathed in the waterfall, letting the cold water wash away sweat, fatigue, and the noise of the world. Standing there, surrounded by forest and falling water, time seemed to slow down. Our paradise was briefly interrupted by a light rain, and we decided it was time to start hiking back up. Every stop offered another view, another reason to keep going. Back at the top, sweat mixed with satisfaction. We knew the effort was worth it.